know you're dedicated to making a positive change when you bring people into your underwear drawer. I mean, that's that's dedication. All right, frugal friends. So having got my dresser all tidied up and put back together, and the shelves and other little knickknacks, I've got those done and did all that other, deep cleaning the other day. So we're back to my bedroom because I've got laundry, more laundry, laundry. I've got walls to wash. They need to be repainted. I'm not sure how much of that I will get to today, but what I am going to do is for sure do the laundry. Notice that dumpster laundry basket, that dumpster laundry basket, and tons of dumpster clothes and towels. Anyway, but while we're doing that, it only makes sense to jump in here into the dresser, all of my drawers. You can see that some of the clothes are still rolled because I started doing that last year. But what has happened is I have found lots of other awesome dumpster, jammies and t-shirts and things like that. And just all kinds of other stuff, shorts and pants, or I've bought them on good deals, whatever the case may be. This needs to be done again because I'm at the point where I can barely close the drawers, and that's not okay. So we're gonna go through, take everything out again, which is kind of a pain, but it's the only way that I can do it. I know everyone has their own method, but this is my method. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna take everything out of these drawers, get it organized again, get the stuff rolled up. Some of this I definitely don't need to keep, but it's the same as with the bathroom. I find awesome things in the bins that I know we can use, and then I just jam them into the place that they make most sense to go without looking at what I already have. And that's something I'm trying to work on, a behavior change that we're trying to implement. So we're just going to go through one drawer at a time, pull all of it out, jump in, get it done. I am really into the lockup series right now. Why is that I'm so obsessed with those right now? I don't know. But that's what I've been watching while I've been doing my stuff. I did just get a whole load of boxes from my friend who was cleaning out her basement and brought me all those treasures the other time. She dropped off a bunch of boxes today, and I'm so excited to show those to you guys. But I made a promise to you guys, to myself, to my family, to my husband, that I was doing this other stuff first. So there's our reward. That's what we're working for. That, along with less stress, with, peace of mind and comfort in our home, but also so that we can go through those boxes and see what's in there. So let's do this. All right, we got all the bras out, shorts, pants, sweats, empty drawers. That's so wonderful. But of course now we're going to fill them back up. Thing is though, I'm going to go through these and double check, make sure that it's stuff that I actually wear. Obviously with the sweats and it being 98 degrees outside today, those are not things I'm going to wear anytime soon, but I will need them. So the question is, do I put some of them up with the winter blankets in the attic now that we've cleaned out the attic and have it, nice and spacious? Or, because they're really hard to roll. They end up really thick when you roll them. Like, they take up a lot of room, those sweats, and I will not be using them anytime soon. I'm gonna have to think about this because if we go camping, which I'm hoping we will, that is a situation where I will need sweats. These are things we just got to decide. The other thing is to go through all the bras. I don't know about you other ladies, but I find that they just end up sitting around, and I hold on to bras that definitely do not fit mama no more. Why? I don't know, especially ones that cost a lot of money. It's silly. So, gotta go through those and make some tough but logical choices. Da-da-da! There you go. Sweats and pants, gym type pants, hiking pants, shorts, bras. Got rid of several things. Looks so much better as far as the sweats. I put one pair in there of those thick sweats, and the other two, they went under my bed. Now I just got to remember that that's where they are when I need them. That feels so much better. Oh my goodness, I can actually see what I have, and it's all stuff that I actually like and actually wear. How much stuff do we hold on to that we don't even wear? It doesn't fit anymore, it's too small, it's too big, it's like 30 years old and nobody wears that. You know, whatever. Come on, guys. It's just one of those things that we've got to do. And I'm telling you guys this mostly so I can tell myself, Julie, stay on top of this. Don't just be bringing, more fabulous dumpster finds into your dresser, into your closet, into your life without first being aware of what you already have and knowing that, whether or not you actually need something. And then once you bring it in, okay, get it put nice, keep it organized, and stay on top of it. It's a work in progress, and it's just one of those things you just constantly have to keep up with. And instead of doing it once a year, I need to be doing it once a month. And finally, the delicates. All of those, you can tell I like socks. They're not fancy socks. They're not even, nothing exciting. I just like having socks. In the winter, I like having hospital socks with the little grippies on bottom. I cannot sleep if I don't have a pair of socks on in the winter. And then I've got socks that are best for walking, best for hiking, just for, whenever and whatever. And I definitely have too many. So the plan here is to sort through and pull out the ones that I actually really like and wear the most, pull out the ones that are weathered and worn and we just don't need, and then move those on out of here so that I have room for the stuff that I do want to keep. All right, kids, there you go. Done, and done. Oh my gosh, that feels so much better. That is just huge improvement all the way around, all 3 drawers. Man, now I know what I have. Now, if I need some new socks, check in here first and make sure I actually need them, that I haven't already picked up a pack somewhere, whether in the bins or on with a coupon or a clearance or a deal, because you keep buying stuff that you don't need, thinking that you need it, and it all just piles up and piles around, and that is wasted money. I've helped clean out lots of houses, and that's something you see all the time. All these things, doubles and triples of stuff buried away in closets or who knows where. It's a waste of money. It's a waste of space. So there you go. I'm feeling good about this. This is the week that I, take my house back, take my sanity back. Thank you for your support along the way, my frugal friends. I hope you guys are getting your stuff cleaned up and cleared out as well. This is the only way to stay on top of the dumpster diving, is if you are managing what you're bringing in and making sure to devote time and attention to keeping your life and house in order and balanced. So that's what I'm doing this week, taking my own dumpster diver's advice, getting on top of this stuff, and earning the thrill of the dumpster dive. Have a wonderful day, my frugal friends. We'll see you soon.
Please be sure to check the video description for links to our social media accounts. There you'll get exclusive access to pictures and videos of different things that we have going on a daily basis, and you will find out how you can contribute and help support the mission of saving and salvaging. Have a great day, guys.